A French spring capsule is one of the best ways to underline your elegance and create that perfect casual yet classy vibe. But lately, I've noticed a strong trend. Well, frankly, it's a trend that comes and goes and then allegedly appears again. So it's nothing truly new. In many Parisian fashion capsules, particularly on channels like Parisian Vibe, spring outfits are styled to fully embrace the natural silhouette, often without traditional underlayers. While I absolutely appreciate the relaxed elegance many women love about French style, I believe that true sophistication lies in finding a balance between feeling natural and looking polished. So today I'll show you how you can capture that effortless French spirit while still maintaining a discreet, refined look that feels both chic and comfortable. First, let's quickly talk about something important behind the trend of skipping traditional bras. For women with smaller busts, going without a bra can actually feel natural, and over time, it might even help strengthen posture and chest muscles. But if you have a medium to larger bust, some level of light support often becomes essential, not just for comfort, but also to maintain good posture and avoid unnecessary strain. It's not about strict rules. It's about finding what feels good, looks polished, and fits your lifestyle. So, if you're like me and you love the idea of feeling comfortable without sacrificing a polished, elegant look, the good news is there are plenty of stylish alternatives to traditional bras that work beautifully with a spring capsule wardrobe. Here are some of my favorite options to keep your outfits feeling chic, discreet, and perfectly put together. Bralettes, lightweight and delicate, perfect for softer blouses. Sports bras, great for casual, relaxed looks under jackets or knits. Camisoles with built-in support, ideal for layering under lighter fabrics. Nipple covers or pasties, a minimalist solution when you want subtle coverage. Bandeau tops. Shapewear tops, offering both light support and a smoothing effect under structured pieces. Adhesive bras, a smart choice for open back outfits. Bra tape helps lift and secure while remaining completely invisible. And of course, a well-chosen classic bra remains a timeless option. Sometimes true elegance is simply about choosing what feels right for you. And a beautifully fitted bra has never gone out of style. Now that we've explored all the beautiful alternatives to traditional bras, the next step is knowing how to choose the right one for your outfit. Because the right choice can make all the difference between looking casually chic or unintentionally underdressed. Soft, flowy blouses. For those romantic, airy blouses that are so popular in French spring wardrobes, a delicate bralette or a camisole with built-in support is perfect. It keeps your silhouette natural but adds just enough structure to feel refined, without the bulk of a traditional bra. Fitted tops or sheer fabrics. When your outfit leans more fitted or uses lighter, more transparent fabrics, shapewear tops or tanks with built-in support are a discreet way to create a smooth, polished base, without any visible lines or distractions. Open back dresses or tops. If you're styling a beautiful open back piece, one of my personal spring favorites, adhesive bras or bra tape give you invisible support, letting the design shine without any visible straps. Relaxed, casual layers. For everyday looks with cardigans, oversized shirts, or light jackets, sports bras or stylish bralettes are an effortless option. They keep the outfit relaxed, comfortable, but still chic, exactly the kind of balance French style is known for. And now let's dive into some outfit ideas purely for inspiration. And yes, another trick to mention. With smart layering, you can easily skip a bra if you want to, as long as nothing feels too revealed or distracting. No matter which option you choose, whether it's a bralette under a soft blouse, adhesive support for an open back dress, or simply a beautifully fitted classic bra, the true secret to looking chic and polished comes down to one thing: intentionality. French women are masters at making every part of their outfit feel intentional. It's not about perfection, it's about showing that you chose your layers thoughtfully to support the look you want to create. When your underlayers match the mood of your outfit, whether relaxed, refined, or romantic, you naturally give off that effortless, put-together elegance that so many women admire in French style. If you're ready to take it even further, make sure to watch this next video where I show you how to create the perfect spring capsule wardrobe you'll actually love wearing. I'll see you there.